the English and Welsh criminal appeal system is facing significant scrutiny, with a damning report highlighting critical flaws and proposing sweeping reforms. The Law Commission, the body responsible for reviewing legislation, has delivered a scathing critique, focusing primarily on the inadequate compensation system for those wrongly convicted and the restrictive nature of the appeals process itself. The current system, they argue, is riddled with injustices. Individuals exonerated after years of wrongful imprisonment often face an uphill battle to secure the compensation they rightfully deserve. The report emphasizes the emotional, psychological, and financial toll this protracted struggle inflicts, leaving many victims broken and financially destitute despite their innocence being proven. The proposed reforms aim to streamline and simplify the compensation process, ensuring a swifter and more equitable resolution for those who have suffered the devastating consequences of a flawed justice system. A key area of concern centers around the Criminal Cases Review Commission, CCRC, the body responsible for referring cases back to the Court of Appeal. The Commission's current threshold, requiring a real possibility of overturning a conviction, is deemed too restrictive, potentially leading to meritorious appeals being overlooked. The Law Commission argues this narrow focus discourages thorough investigations and ultimately hinders the pursuit of justice. They propose a more inclusive approach, broadening the criteria for referral to ensure a more comprehensive and fair review of potentially flawed convictions. Further fueling the need for reform are allegations of jury misconduct, a serious threat to the integrity of the judicial process. The report recommends facilitating investigations into such allegations, providing a crucial mechanism for addressing instances where juror bias or misconduct may have contributed to wrongful convictions. This proactive approach represents a significant shift, recognizing the critical need for robust mechanisms to identify and address systemic flaws that undermine the fairness of trials. Beyond addressing individual cases, the report calls for systemic improvements within the CCRC itself. Following troubling allegations reported in The Guardian regarding the organization's management and operational practices, the Law Commission advocates for the establishment of an independent inspectorate to oversee the CCRC's activities. This crucial oversight mechanism aims to enhance transparency, accountability, and ultimately, public confidence in the appeals process. The upcoming April hearing featuring the CCRC's chief executive, Karen Neller, alongside the head of casework and a potential interim chair, underscores the urgency of addressing these concerns. The Law Commission's proposals are far-reaching, advocating not just for incremental changes, but for a fundamental overhaul of the criminal appeals system. The reforms aim to create a more just and efficient process, one that prioritizes the rights of the wrongly convicted and ensures the integrity of the judicial system as a whole. The recommendations reflect a deep understanding of the systemic failures that have led to widespread injustice, offering a roadmap towards a fairer and more equitable system for all. The stakes are high. The future of justice in England and Wales depends on the timely and effective implementation of these vital reforms. The proposed changes are not merely about addressing individual cases. They represent a critical opportunity to repair the frayed fabric of trust in the legal system and ensure that the pursuit of justice is truly served.